Hey guys, welcome back to the homestead. It is still hot outside. It's mid-September and we're working hard to get the greenhouse up. So check out those videos if you haven't seen those yet. And but during the heat of the day, when it's just too much for us to be out there anymore, we have other projects we're working on inside. So we are also still really enjoying the water machine from watermachine.com, and we got a discount code if you guys want to get one of those for your homes. So clean, purified water, very inexpensive, great way to remove the chlorine, fluoride, pharmaceuticals and things from your water. So we're still drinking water out of that every day. Use it for cooking as well as drinking water. My lovely wife over here, this is the project. She is making mixes, like herb mixes.
Yeah, this one right here is a ranch, powdered ranch mix. You know, like the packet you get at the store.
Okay.
Oh, it's not a packet from the store.
So all good ingredients and nothing harmful in that?
That's right. I've got buttermilk, onion powder, garlic powder, parsley, dill weed. Calls for chives, but I don't have any, so I'm not putting it in. Salt and pepper.
You could always do that last minute, huh?
What?
Put chives in afterwards, or when you're ready to use it.
Yeah, I've got some.
So, I see you have some new lids up here too I haven't seen before. What's that about?
Yeah, it's little airtight lids for the mason jars.
All right. So they're all dried ingredients, so
Yep.
it doesn't really matter if we suck air out of them
Yeah.
or anything, so they're okay that way?
There's a, well, let's shake. Italian sausage blend.
Italian
Mix.
sausage blend?
Yes.
What else did you make? Just an
Just
Italian seasoning?
seasonings. Yeah.
Love it.
And I'm doing this one. I have a few more that I'm gonna do, but I haven't done yet.
All right. So do you get the recipes? Where do you
All
get the
over the
recipes? All over?
Yeah.
Off
I
the-
have some in this book.
Off the interweb?
Yeah, this book I have.
Oh yeah, I've watched you
That's the
looking
one
at
I
this
just
book quite a
made.
bit. What is the book?
It's Practical Paleo.
Practical Paleo. That's cool.
Yes.
And it's got all kinds of spice blend mixes in there,
Well,
recipes to follow.
These, okay. It's all cooking from scratch, and the recipes in the back of the book, you know, all these lovely recipes call for different spice blends and things on these pages. And then there's herb salts. Tells you how to make herb salts on this side.
Okay.
So there's a recipe that I wanted to make, and it called for the lemon herb salt. So
Well, there you
I
go.
would make the
Lemon herb salt.
herb salt, or any kind of herb, a cup of herbs of your choice, and a bunch of salt, and mix it together, and poof.
Yeah. So you have those spice mixes and things together for when you're cooking. You don't have to do it on the fly. You've just got everything already prepared for it. Very nice. Well, I wondered why she sent me out. My task today was to harvest some rosemary and stevia
Well, your
and
task was
Genovese basil.
Your task was to get some rosemary, because I didn't have dried rosemary. So I will get that rosemary dried and then add it to the mixes that I made. And you said, do you want me to get, and do you want me to get?
And we agreed yes.
Yeah, sure, if you want to. It's too hot to do anything else. And you
Yeah.
can't stay still, so.
So I'm trying to help with this inside project without
Right.
being yelled at.
I'm not gonna yell at you for helping.
So even when it's too hot to be outside, we just can't stand the heat anymore. We've been out with those friends of mine helping build the greenhouse, and my wife helping as well. And this is the third day. We spent time working on it, and it is simply too hot to stay out and keep working in the sun. So we're finding some inside projects while it's hot, and then we'll go back out and work when it's a little bit cooler. So hope you enjoyed the video. We'll see you on the next one. Be sure to like and subscribe to our channel. We'll see you next time. Have a great day.